Hi, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Yvette.
Welcome to a new video.
I was grabbing everything.
Do you have everything?
I think so. I have water, I have snacks, and I have myself. Lights off. That's locked.
Okay. Today we are filming on the iPhone again because...
That means we're going somewhere.
Yeah. Is Pixel there?
Yeah, she's upstairs.
There.
The snow is almost melted.
Yeah. It was all white yesterday evening.
Yeah. And now it's all gone. We might be getting more next Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah.
Another like 10 centimeters. It says now, but that will probably disappear tomorrow. So
Plan for today
is we need to go back to the phone store. I did say it was going to take hours and hours and hours in the car because phone companies are always slow, I feel like. It always takes longer than you want. And it's taking days and days and days. Like a week and a half now.
Yeah.
And we still don't have the phone number. So we need to go back again for the third time. Yay. And since that's halfway to an Ikea, does that make sense? We are going to Ikea today. So let's go. Is that the plan?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. The sun is shining. It feels good.
Oh, why?
Just because I can.
But that's not the plan. I have to edit a very long video in the car. So.
That's true. So I'm driving.
Yeah. Oh no. The car is very dirty.
Against the car. Sorry to do that. We made it to the phone store.
We are here again.
It's a big mall, but the phone store isn't there. We did make a little stop at Van Garden for some gardening tools and
Big Max.
Big Max for some tape. So.
And the Lidl for croissants.
Yes, croissants. Sorry, I've been craving a croissant for weeks, so I'm very happy.
And after we went to, after we
go here?
Yeah, after we go here, we are going to grab coffee. Yeah. So, is the car locked?
Yes. It's locked twice.
Twice.
I think that's not possible.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go in here, but we're quicker.
Yeah, walk. This one smells very good. We got coffee. Yvette got a cappuccino and I got a cafe latte.
And we have our phone numbers.
Yay.
It works.
Yeah.
Should have worked a week and a half ago, but for some reason it didn't. He couldn't really explain why.
Yeah, so, something with the system and...
It's always the system.
Yeah.
It's always the system's fault. But someone did something wrong, but it's working now, so we're very happy.
Yeah.
And we have coffee, so I'm always happy when I have coffee. And the sandwich, because it is 12.
12?
It's 12.
Already?
It's a quarter past 12 even.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this time it worked immediately and we didn't have to wait for a day or two. So what's...
I don't want to be chewing on camera. It looks so ugly.
What has gone wrong? We don't know. But Nutella. Biscoff. Coffee.
And then driving to IKEA.
Driving.
Driving, editing, making.
We are on our way to IKEA and I'm editing tomorrow's video. It is doing all the little things and Starlink.
And starting to
defeats
again.
Defeats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We tried to hang Starlink.
Yeah.
But it didn't work.
It is from 10 days ago. It is.
I forgot what we did 10 days ago.
20. Yeah. we are filming too much, so I forget what we do.
It's another like 4 fans of military.
Really?
There's a lot of military going on
Yeah.
today. And people that drive very slow. Oh, no, it's not slow. It's an 80 here.
Yeah.
He's behaving. But he's 70, so still slow. Where do I need to go? Left. I need to go.
The windshield is very dirty.
Yeah, the road is just dirty.
Yeah.
I keep having to clean.
We are seeing a lot of deer today.
But we still love him.
Yeah.
We are wondering when we won't care about seeing deer. But I think that will take a while. Because they are cute. I like deer.
We are at the IKEA.
My phone says Spotify is open,
Yeah.
but it's not open.
Weird.
I'll just open it again and close it. Does that help? It helps. Okay, sorry. IKEA!
So let's check some kitchens and
Desks
and
and cars and maybe some meatballs.
yeah, maybe some meatballs.
Forever hungry.
Yeah.
Is there a line? At the restaurant?
Maybe.
It's a restaurant.
Yeah. That's the restaurant. Everybody wants to eat.
Yeah, so let's not eat now. Let's
No.
do the IKEA first. This one's huge. Where do we go? We need kitchens. This one.
So we need 6 and
We're just gonna follow the arrows. See where we.
this is already a nice kitchen.
Oh yeah. Actually, really watched it. Interesting. I even like this one. This is not solid, but
And the price is okay.
yeah, that's not bad at all. You film, I'll take pictures?
Yeah?
Is that an idea?
Okay. What do you think of the brown curtains?
Mm-hmm. It is a good color. I like that. But for what room?
I don't know, but
I like the color. And it feels like cotton.
yeah. And what do you think about this lamp?
Ugly. You don't like the... I don't know. I don't like... This gets dirty.
Yeah.
Is that these? That's the rail. I don't know. Is this the curtains? I'll take a picture.
Yeah.
But I like this color. I don't know for what room, but I also like this.
Yeah.
But this is 3, I think. 3 units. I don't think it's full. No. I like IKEA like this.
What did you say?
I like IKEA like this. It's not busy at all.
Oh.
Everyone's eating it.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh no, that's for the plate. That's for that. I like the pillowcase. But you don't need pillowcases.
Will this kitchen
Good color.
will this kitchen be too dark?
I like these.
Oh, yeah. Is it black or?
It's blue. Dark blue.
It looks black on camera.
It's blue. They are 100% cotton.
Nice. But this kitchen, will this be too dark for us?
I don't know. If you do this light and now at the walls lights, then maybe it could work.
There's a light in the drawer.
Oh, here. Yeah. Is that necessary? This is nice though. I don't like that.
No.
I'm already struggling.
Yeah.
I just want handles.
This is more a classic farmhouse kitchen.
It says open and look. I wasn't trying to find it. This light is very functional.
Yeah.
I think the other one didn't make sense because it had the like small wires. I mean, it's fine. I just don't love it.
Yeah. See.
It really hurts. I got a paper cut from this. Don't ask me how I do that. I don't know. I like the first stitch. They have a lot of desk chairs.
Whoa.
I don't think we're gonna like any of them.
No.
I always like the look of these, but no.
Still like the one we saw at El Gigante.
I will say that's more expensive, but it's with the leg.
Okay. You were thinking,
something like that, and then
yeah,
that's 70. And the desk you had was 70 something. You wrote it down. You used to have that one.
yeah.
You left. So your desk is 74. This is 70, but then I think the
Wheels.
wheels are added.
And then the thickness of the
And then
thickness of that thing.
the desk.
Yeah.
So you would need to remove the wheels.
Yes.
Which is fine, and we don't need.
No.
We can't have the wheels, even if we with some nice legs. So that should be fine.
Yeah. And I really like the darker ones.
I like the black, yes.
Do we need legs?
Not if you do that.
Oh.
If you do this as legs, we already have 4 from your desk now.
Yeah, that's true.
So we could also do only on both of the outside. We do this.
Yeah.
So one, and then we do legs in the
middle.
We need 4 legs for that. We have 4 legs. It is fake wheels, but I like this, but I don't like this.
No, me neither. And I do like the wall.
Yeah.
This.
It's possible to do.
Not the color, but the wood.
Yeah. Do we need lights in the door?
I don't think it's necessary.
Like, I can't even reach this.
No.
I don't think we're gonna do white cabinets at all.
No.
I also like these. Where you have it on the counter. I don't think we'll do that. These are 2 cabinets attached. So
Yeah.
if we can do like one, we can have like a very
Small island.
small island. And then do the rest of the kitchen. You could do that and then not have like a little bar that's not really necessary.
No.
Because it would be better for filming. I mean, that is something to think about if you like to film in the kitchen. I don't know. I don't like this one. We are good at liking the first thing we see because we liked the first kitchen. wasn't a good time to go home.
No, we are having a little bit of traffic.
Yes. We should have just gone to the other store. We saw a sports and wilderness store that sounded very interesting to us.
Yeah.
And we thought, no, we're just gonna go home. It's a long drive. We'll be home at 6 when we go now.
It's
And
2 hours and 15 minutes.
yeah, it was a 2 hour 15 minutes drive to IKEA. Yeah. Did we show what we got at IKEA?
No, we didn't.
We didn't show, right?
No.
No. We got a desk, 2 drawers, and
A rug.
a rug. I think that's it. No, 2 towels and
Yeah.
little clips to put on bags.
I don't know where we are, but it's very dark.
To the adventure route.
Yeah.
I don't know why the navigation is taking us this way, but it's a 70 road, but I'm driving 50.
Yeah.
It's very bendy as well.
Are you ending the video? Bye!
She was very scared of the rug at first, but now she's laying on it. We're very happy with it. Did we say we got a rug?
Maybe.
I'm not sure what we did or didn't say what we got. We will show the full thing tomorrow because we are very tired now.
Yeah.
But we did get this rug and we're very happy with it. So that's one sneak peek for tomorrow. And I'm also happy Pixel likes it now because she was avoiding it like crazy for the whole night. So, but it is late now. We are going to end the video here. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
And have a nice day. Bye.
And she's down.